My name is Lawrence Francis Stevenson, and I am a Gear-Doir photographer. I live here in the Chateau Lake Louise because no house can contain my greatness. I am so great at the Gear-Doir that they have named this glacier after me. Touch to focus. Thousands have been asking for my behind-the-scenes process on my Gear-Doir. Let me show you what I do first. When I walk into the room, I will shoot natural light only. I will remove any distracting colors of light. I own this home, but I do not know how to turn these lights off. Do I touch? Now that the scene is set, you turn on some romantic music to get everyone in the mood.
We're up when we should sleep.
My guest today, his name is Peter McKinnon, times nomadic. He loves the lake, some say. Peter McKinnon lives in the wilderness. You want to make sure that you fluff Peter McKinnon. Here we have one Ford hat. Now, it is time to grab your camera. You must photograph at 2.8 or less. You're not ready for this yet. I can sense it. Again, we must fluff Peter McKinnon. Bend your spine. Turn this way just a tiny bit. Oh, that's perfect. Look out towards the window. Yes, view my glacier. Just going to adjust your zippers. There we have the first image of Peter McKinnon on the couch. Very beautiful indeed. I will put you in a chair. Looking good, Peter, nice and slim. Head, chin out the window, eyes back to me. Where's my camera? Okay, here we go, Peter. Are you ready to make the magic? Making the magic. Peter, you must sit up. Sit up more, Peter. I don't know if this chair really matches your rugged military aesthetic. Very nice, Peter. You did great. Thank you for joining me today at the Chateau Lake Louise, where I live, because no home can hold my Gear-Doir creativity. Don't forget that this is my glacier.